Hey there, it's Jenna from the Intern Hustle. Let's talk about LinkedIn and growing a network. A question I get from students during my workshops is, who should I be connecting with on LinkedIn besides friends, family, and classmates? Or how can I actually start to build a professional network with little or no professional experience yet? Well, I have 3 solid recommendations for you in this video. Hit that like button if you're ready to grow your network in a meaningful way, and please hit subscribe and tap the bell if you're enjoying all of the Intern Hustle's content and you want to see more of it. So I've been running some polls on YouTube lately with the Intern Hustle community. Maybe you've seen them pop up on your homepage, and maybe you've even participated. Thank you. The last 2 have been about LinkedIn, and based on the group of people who did participate in the polls and the numbers that I've seen at the time that I'm creating this video, I was pleasantly surprised to find that the majority of this community is on LinkedIn, and over 80% are on LinkedIn daily or weekly. As someone who coaches students on the importance of LinkedIn, I love that. But back to the question at the beginning of this video. If you're spending all of this time on LinkedIn, how can you go about growing your network on the platform? And who do you connect with when you run out of family, friends, and classmates to connect with? Well, here are my 3 recommendations to get you started. Number 1 is my favorite, and that is alumni from your school. You may have heard me say before that everyone loves to help a college student. For the most part, I really do believe that to be true. People remember what it was like to be in your shoes and trying to nail down a career path and launch out of college into the real world. Well, most people genuinely enjoy giving back and helping a college student with some guidance on their career and next steps. But alumni from your school, alumni really like to help you out because it's an instant mutual connection. You share a bond over this common thing. You went to the same university. And people often have fond memories of their college and university, and they enjoy getting to connect with students just like you. So start reaching out and connecting with alumni from your school on LinkedIn. Specifically, alumni who have a career path that you'd like to emulate, or maybe someone who's shared the same major as you. Alumni are a great way to grow your network, and the LinkedIn alumni tool makes it super easy to find the best alumni for you to connect with. I give an overview of how to use the LinkedIn alumni tool in my free LinkedIn masterclass for students. Sign up and join me on the next one at theinternhustle.com/LinkedIn to learn how you can start using the alumni tool to grow your network and so much more. Number 2 is people from the same student groups, clubs, or organizations as you. So this opens your search up to people from a bunch of other schools as well. And they can be current students or alumni. But by finding people who are associated with the same fraternity as you, or who are also members of the American Marketing Association, or our fellow D1 athlete from your sports conference, you're connecting with people on a mutual interest. An easy way to find people with a similar group or club is to use the search functionality and the filters that are on the top of LinkedIn. So start by searching for an organization within the search bar. Let's use Delta Gamma Sorority as an example. Then select the people filter. This will pull up a list of people from all over who have Delta Gamma on their LinkedIn profile. From here, you can continue to filter to find the most relevant people for you to connect with. So let's say you're interested in getting an internship at Deloitte. Select the current company filter and type in Deloitte. Then click Show Results, and it's going to pull up a list of people who are associated with both Delta Gamma and Deloitte. Start clicking on people and reviewing their profiles to determine who would be a good fit for you to connect with. Now, if you're wondering what you should say to people when you reach out to connect with them on LinkedIn, I'm glad, and I have this video that you can watch next. You can find it linked in the description below this video, and please do go watch it because it's important that you are sending thoughtful messages when you connect with people on LinkedIn. Number 3, my 3rd recommendation for types of people that you should connect with on LinkedIn as a student is current and former interns from companies that you're interested in being an intern for. They are going through or have very recently gone through the exact experience that you're hoping to obtain. So this makes current and former interns ideal people for you to reach out to. Not only can you learn about the company and the internship experience from them firsthand, but they may be able to refer you into the company or make a warm introduction to a recruiter or a hiring manager. Let's use Deloitte as the company example again. To find current and former interns, go to the company page on LinkedIn for, in this case, Deloitte, and click on the People tab. And on that tab, you're going to enter the title Intern into the search bar. This will pull up profiles of people who have currently or who have had intern at Deloitte on their LinkedIn profile. And just like in the last example, start clicking on profiles and reviewing who would be a good fit for you to reach out and connect with on LinkedIn. I go into even more than these 3 LinkedIn connection recommendations, plus so many more tips and tricks to help you optimize your profile in Leveraging LinkedIn, my crash course for students. This video is just scratching the surface. If you want to learn more about LinkedIn and the online course for students, then don't forget to sign up for my next LinkedIn masterclass by heading to theinternhustle.com/LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you some new insights today, please give it a like and share it with a friend or two. Hit that red subscribe button and bell below so that you don't miss out on future videos. In support of your hustle, I'm Jenna from theinternhustle.com, and I'll see you next Monday.